Hey guys, Min here. So today let's talk about white t-shirts. Now, I love to wear white t-shirts. However, almost every one of my white t-shirts are like this one here, where you can see the stain marks and so on. It may be because I'm a messy eater or because I'm just not careful. But the fact of the matter is, eventually all my white t-shirts are like this, where I either discard them or becomes undershirts. So I always wanted a white t-shirt that I could wear all around and don't have to worry about it, and stays clean. So luckily, our friends at Fioboc reached out to me and says, hey, they have a super high-tech shirt that are stain resistant and waterproof. So they asked me if I want to try it out. And of course I say, yeah, sure, send them over. So I will be doing a review on their shirt. And of course, so for full disclosure, the reviews and comments are my honest opinions and experiences and are not influenced by Fioboc. I will try to show how I reach these conclusions from some of the video footages that you'll see in a little bit. So let's get started. From Fioboc's website, their Staingo t-shirt promises a hydrophobic shirt that is stain-proof, waterproof, and some of the versions of the shirt even Oreo resistant. So that sounds amazing. So I got this package here, and they nicely send this package here from Fioboc. That's very nice of them. And opening up, they sent me 2 shirts. That's pretty cool. And nothing here. And they even sent me a little, here it is, brand Fioboc t-shirt, first class, grade, and so on. Tech redefined fashion, okay? And they sent me a letter. Let's see what it is. This is a return process letter. So there's 2 shirts here. All right. According to Fioboc's website, this shirt is made from 3 key materials: long stable cotton, bamboo fibers, and Sorona. And I think it's because of the long stable cotton that this particular shirt feels like a heavy-duty cotton shirt. Now, what's interesting is about the other material that's used in this shirt, Sorona. Sorona is a fiber that's similar to nylon. However, it's considered a renewable source fiber made by DuPont. Now, based on the documentations that I read about Sorona, it contains 37% renewably sourced ingredients by weight, 30% less energy to produce than nylon, and 63% less CO2 emissions during production than equal amount of nylon. So that's pretty cool. So that's considered a sort of a green fiber. But I think it's the combination of these 3 fiber, the cotton, bamboo fiber, and Sorona, that causes this to have the hydrophobic effect. Now, I've seen the hydrophobic effect before in my Arc'teryx jacket, but it uses durable water resistance spray on it. So it causes the beading on the jacket and so on. And oh, by the way, if you want to check out how to refresh or renew your jacket with just wash and dryer, check out this particular video. So this particular fiber doesn't look like it uses DWR. So I am interested to see how this turns out. So let's put this on and let's go to lunch. All right, see you in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. So this shirt is quite amazing. I was so shocked. I was able to pour water on it and it just rolled right off. In fact, I was so shocked, I poured some soba sauce on it and I was able to rinse it right off with water. And because of that, I was feeling really confident and I poured some barbecue sauce on this shirt.
Oh no!
And
it's on my white shirt.
Did not come out. But I did stick it in the washer, and after a wash, it came back good as new. So that's pretty amazing. Now, the fact is that even after multiple washes, this shirt, the water rolling effect on this shirt stayed. I mean, I was able to still pour water on it, and it was pretty amazing. It just rolled right off. But one of the things that you guys should know about this shirt is that, on the website it said it was waterproof and stain proof, but it is not. It's not like what it said on the website. Because, well, let me clear that up. Because when I think about waterproof, I'm expecting something more like my Gore-Tex jacket that uses DWR, durable water resistance, with in conjunction of Gore-Tex, so that means I can keep the water from getting inside and keeping me dry. So with this shirt, the water will roll off, but with a heavy pour or anything continuous, the fabric will absorb the liquid and you will get wet. So, but that's sort of expected, right? I mean, you don't really want to wear a plastic bag with you, right? Another thing about this shirt is that it does run a little bit small. Take a look at this, right? This is the glow-in-the-dark logo here. And usually I wear a US large, and the shirt sleeve would run about here. This one is it's a large, but it runs up a little bit. So if I would do it all over again, I would probably get an extra large shirt instead of a large. But then again, maybe it's because I just need to get more fit, But even with all this said, I think this shirt, it's amazing. Because I took it to go play tennis, and I could not believe how temperature-wise cool it was. And it's very, very breathable as well. So I am 100% sure that I'll be wearing more of this shirt. So thank you, Fioboc, for sending me this shirt. Now, if you want to get one of these shirts yourself, please check out the QR code right over here, and also use the discount code below. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye. Woo!